Hey there, it's me, Sophie from Sophie-World.com. I've been posting these little boredom busters, 1-minute boredom busters on Instagram, and I thought it might be fun to put them together in a compilation and, call them 5 minutes of fun. So here you go. This is 5 minutes of fun from Sophie-World.com.
What you're going to do is take your name and write it on a notebook like this and hold it up to the mirror. Then take another piece of paper and try to draw what you see in the mirror on the notebook so that you hopefully will get your name the right way.
Today's boredom buster is called Don't Make Me Laugh. And it's a pretty easy little game. So what you do is you basically line up as many friends as you've got and you try to make them laugh. So first thing you've got to do is get everybody to be very serious, and then you have exactly 1 minute. So set a timer. You have 1 minute to make as many people in that line smile or laugh. Now, the only rule is you can't touch them. You can use your voice, you can use your face, you can do whatever you want to do to try to make them laugh, but you cannot touch them. What you want to do is take a spoon and you want to try to hang it from your nose. Now, I have a pointy nose, but let's see if I can get this to go. Ta-da! See how... And today happens to be St. Patrick's Day. So I thought for today's boredom buster, we would do a St. Patty's Day scavenger hunt. So what you need to do is go and find as much change as you possibly can and scatter it all over the house. Or if you want to keep the kids contained in a special area or room or whatever you want to do. Then give each kid their own amount to look for. So it could be $1.05 or 25 cents or 57 cents, whatever it is that you want to come up with. Now, if they're little, you might want to just let them scatter around and look for change in general. But the idea is when you say go, they scatter and they try to find the exact amount that you have given them to find. So today we're going to do Petit Stacking. I used to do this when I was a kid and I loved it. So you take your elbow and you put it up and you put your hand on your shoulder like this, flat. Then you take a penny and you put it on your elbow. And the idea is you're going to flick your hand around and try to catch the penny just like that. Now once you get one, then you add a second one and you keep stacking every time you catch more. So let's try two. Ha-ha! That's two. And today I am wearing my Gryffindor sweatshirt, which made me think that I ought to do a little magical boredom buster for you today. So this one is called There's Something in Your Ear. Now when I was a kid, my uncle always used to do this thing. He'd go, "Oh, Sophie, you have something in your ear. What is that? Oh, look, it's a quarter." And he would have a quarter that he would give me and I would be very excited and I'd make, do it again. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the trick. It's very, very simple. You need your hands and what you do is you palm the quarter. So you put it right in your hand like that and you just kind of pinch it between your two fatty parts of your hand and then you just kind of drop your hand so make it look kind of normal. So then when somebody goes, "Oh, look at that, there's a quarter in your ear." So you just drop it into your hand and makes it look like it appeared. Hi guys, it's me, Sophie, with your Monday rainy day boredom buster. It is pouring here in San Francisco. And so I thought today would be a great day to do racing raindrops. And when I was a little girl, I used to love this. You put your face against the glass and you watch as the rain comes pelting down and then you find yourself a little raindrop that's just come down and you watch it go down the glass. What normally happens is it'll join up with some other raindrops that'll join up with some other raindrops and they'll race all the way down to the bottom. So that is your Monday rainy day boredom buster and it's called Racing Raindrops. Hang in there everybody. See you soon.